Hello friends, today we are going to do key signature in our topic. So as you can see, the key signature is nothing. It's a sign, it's an accidental which is put in the beginning, like over here after your time signature and before you start the notation. Okay. Uh, in simple words, if you read all of this, I'm not reading all of this. It just says that if you don't to make this song look easier for the notation, otherwise you have to put the accidentals like this. Instead of this, you just put it in the beginning. This means that all the F's will be sharp. As simple as that. So that is why we keep the key signatures. So the instrumentalist or the singer knows that they are singing or they have to play or they have to sing on which scale or key. Okay. So this is a sample language for that. So let's start doing the exercise straight away. So you can see they have shown how to check that which is a sign for the F major scale or C major scale or G major scale. Okay, in C major we do not have any sharps or flats. In F major we have B flat and G major we have F sharp. Let's do these exercises. So in this one they're saying write the key signature for each key. Okay, so it's C major. C major. We do not have any sharp or flat, so we don't put anything here. This will be empty. In G major, we played F sharp because this is the fifth line, and we put F sharp here. For F major, it's a treble clef, so we go B flat. Uh, let's do this. G major, bass clef. So that means F sharp, so we put F sharp here. F major, B flat, so we go here, B flat, and C major, so we don't have any sharp and flat, so we leave it empty. Okay, so now let's move to next question. Next question is write in a semi-breve tonic note. Tonic note means the first letter of the scale. So if it is a C major scale, so you write C is the tonic. If it's G major scale, then it is G is the tonic, and if it's F major scale, uh, then F note is the tonic at any register. So we can write it at any register for the major keys shown by the key signature. Okay, so if we go by this, so this is a treble clef and there is no sharp and no flat. That means this is a C major scale. So we can make a C as a semi-breve here. Yeah. Next we have one sharp in treble clef. That means it's a G major scale. So we can put a G semi-breve here. So this is B flat. B flat means F major scale. So we put on F semi-breve. Next we move is bass clef sharp means G major scale. So we put a G here. Or let's make this G. B flat, that means F major scale. Let's put F. So let's make this F. And bass clef again C major scale. So let's put C here. Okay, let's move to the next one. I write in semi-braves the tonic triad for major key shown by the key signature. Okay, so we have to make the tonic triad. So as I told you, the tonic triad will take the first degree, third degree, and the fifth degree from the same scale. So if it is C major scale, so it will take C, E, and G. If it is G major scale, it will gonna take G, B, and D. And if it is F major scale, it's going to take F, A, C. Okay, so let's do this. So we can see the first one is B flat. This means this is F major scale. So we take F. So let's start F from here. Let's take this F. Okay, and then you take next. So this is tonic triad of F major. Okay, this is what we do. Let's do the next one, C. So let's start C from, let's start from this C, E, and G. Next we have F sharp, that is G major. So start from G, B, and D. Let's go to bass clef. So C major scale, there is no sharp and no flat. So we start from C, E, and G. G major, we start from G. Okay. Next we have F major, as it is a B flat. So we start from F. So let's start on this. Let's start from this F here. Then A and then C. Okay. Okay, they all supposed to be whole note. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next we have look at the key signature. To which major key do these tonic triads belongs to? Okay, so we'll check straight away. This is a treble clef. This is the third space. 1, 2, 3. That means C. So it's a C major. And anyways, there is no key signature in front. So there is no sharp and fret. So this is let's go C major. Next is one B flat. This is F major. This is G major. Let's move to next one. This is G major. This is C major. This is F major. Okay. This was easy because you just can see the key signature, or you can see the tonic triad, okay, the first note of it. Okay, so let's move to the fifth one. So fifth one says, look at the key signature. Label these tonic triad using Roman numeral below the chord. Okay, so as I told you, numeric numerals, Roman numerals, we put at the bottom. So let's see. This is F major. So we have to just put 1 here. And this is C major. So we put 1 here. So again F major. That's it. Okay. Now next one is look at the key signature. Label these tonic triads using chord symbol above the chord. So now we put it chord symbol above the chord. This is F major. So definitely this is F chord. This is again F major. This is a B flat. This is C. There is no sharp and flat in this one. So next we have write an octave major scale in semi-breve. Going up, use key signature and mark the semitones with a bracket. Up and down, and S for semitone. Okay, so let's start. They have written for C major. We write it for G major. Let's see. Let me just make it. Okay, so we start from G. This is a bass clef. So we start from here G. This is A, E, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, so let's count this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is unison. So we can see this is C, G, A, B, and C, third and fourth are semitone. Okay, and again seventh and eighth will be a semitone. Okay, because that's according to formula. In major scale, third and fourth and seventh and eighth will be a semitone. Okay, let's do for the F major. So sorry, we did not put the key signature here. We have to put the key signature in G major. That was your F sharp. So this was F sharp. So we forgot that. Okay, for F major, so we have to put E signature. That is, we have put it there. Now we start from F. Let's start from here. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. This is unison. So third and fourth will be a semitone, and 7 and 8th. Now, how do you check? If you want to check, let's check this one. F major, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So in this one, we have B flat. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So third, fourth. So A to B flat is a semitone only. Same way from E to F is a semitone. So that is how you find the major scale. Okay.